Hello kids, welcome to my channel. I am here with this book. This is the book of Mr. M.L. Agarwal for class 11 CBSE board with code 241 for class 11. Okay, for class 11. We are dealing with the exercise number 6.4 of M.L. Agarwal. Class 11th. CBSE code 241. Okay, this is the exercise in which we have already done up to question number 15. Now I'm going to start question number 16. What is the question? Three numbers are in AP. We are giving three numbers, they are in AP. It means we are giving A plus D, three numbers. Are in AP. It means we are having A plus D and A plus 2D. These are the three numbers. First number, second number, and this is the third number. They are in AP. Where A is the first number of the AP, D is the common difference for that AP series which we are given. And their sum is 15. The sum of these three, sum of these three terms. Equal to 15. It means we are given that A plus D, this is the second, plus A plus 2D, this is given to us 15, or we can say 3 times A plus 3 times D is equal to 15, or we can say A plus D in short is given to equal to 5. This is noteworthy. Okay, this is given to us. If 1, 4 and 19 are added to these numbers respectively, it means these are the first number. It means first term of AP is added 1. Second term of AP term, this is term, will be added by 4, and third term of AP be added by 19. Then we have got a new AP. This is new type of the series by adding 1 in first term, 4 in second term, 19 in third term. Then this series is resulting a GP. This becomes as a GP. Then these terms become a GP. These become GP. It means that A plus 1, A plus D plus 4, and A plus 2D plus 19 These three terms are in GP. They are in GP. We have to find these numbers. This is to be find. कौन से original number which were ये हमें पता लगा. A and D is to be find. How? No. Good question. A plus D is equal to 5 given to us. Okay. A plus D is given to 5 us for GP. What will be happen? What GP में क्या होता है? GP is condition for GP. Square of the middle term will be the multiple of these two. Okay, it means A plus D plus 4 whole square. This will be equal to A plus 2D plus 19 into A plus 1. Okay. Because second term A2 square is equal to होता है A1 into A3. This is the rule of G. Square of the middle term will be the product of the side terms. Okay. Now we know A plus D is equal to 5. It means this can be written as 5. And this is 4. It means this will be 5 plus 4. This is 5. A plus D is equal to 5 as per our previous condition. Okay. A plus D is equal to 5. It means 5 plus 4. This is 9 square. Is equal to, now here, A plus D is equal to 5. Then this is a 5 plus D plus 19. Into A plus 1. Okay. Now further, this D can be replaced by, D can be written as 5 minus A. Okay. Or directly we can write it as, directly we can do it. D can be written as 5 times A. It means 2D will be equal to 10 minus 2A. 10 minus 2A. This is 10 minus 2A. It means A minus A plus 10 minus 2A plus 19. Okay. Into A plus 1. Correct? Now, this is 19 and this is 29. 29 minus A is equal to 29 minus A into A plus 1. Oh, multiplied करते हैं. This will be equal to 29A minus A square plus 29 minus A. Okay, the multiplication of this or this. 29A minus A square, 29 and minus A. This will be equal to 28A minus A square plus 29. Okay, this is 81. Now we are having quadratic equations in terms of A. All these terms will be towards left hand side. We'll bring here. This will be equation A square minus 28A plus 29. 81 minus 29. It means 252 is equal to 0. We will have here the two values of A. A square minus 26A minus 2A plus 52 is equal to 0. Factorizations. After factorization, we can get two values of a. This is a minus 26 can be taken as a common one. A is taking common, and then minus 2 is common, a minus 26. It means factors are, we are having two factors values of a. These are a minus 26 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. It means we are having two values of a. Case 1 when a is equal to 2, and case 2 when a is equal to 26. These are the two values of a. Case first. This is case second. Okay, case first. When a is equal to 2, from here further, d will be equal to 3. Okay, and hence the series will be 2, 3 and 8. Okay, when a is equal to 26, d will be equal to, from here, because a is equal to 26, d will be equal to minus 5 minus 26. It means minus 90. D will be equal to 90. Okay, minus 90. D will be minus 90. So series will be a means 26, d 26 minus 19, it means 5, and then 5 minus 26 further, that is 26 हो गया, 26 minus 19, that is 5, and then minus 19 is equal to what? Minus 6. Minus 14. A plus 2d, sorry. A plus 2d, sorry. This will be 26 minus 38. Okay? That is minus 8. Minus 20 minus 12. This will be the answer. 26, okay, is the first term. D is equal to 19. तो 19 इसमें जोड़ेंगे तो बचेगा 5, बिल्कुल सही. उसके बाद इसमें माइनस 19 में फिर जोड़ेंगे दूना. Minus 12. This will be the answer. Okay. This is 5 and minus 12. बिल्कुल सही. Correct. Answer is very much correct. Now, starting. फिर से करते हैं हम. We are given that these three numbers are in AP. A plus D plus 2D. These were the number AP given. The sum of these terms were 15. From here, we received the value of a plus d is equal to 5. Second condition is, if we add in first term 1, in second term 4, and in third term 90, we get a new series that is in the form of GP. वो वहाँ पे GP के रूप में, यानी पहली term a plus 1, सेकंड टर्म a plus d plus 4, थर्ड टर्म a plus 2d plus 19. ये जीपी में है. जीपी की कंडीशंस क्या आती है? व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर द टर्म टू बी इन जीपी? दैट द स्क्वायर ऑफ द मिडल विल बी द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द बाई साइड्स वाली terms. It means the square of this a plus d plus 4 square will be equal to a plus 2d plus 19 into a plus 1. This is written. A plus d can be written as 5, so that this will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 square. Now a plus d, a plus, we can put the 2d is equal to 10 plus 2a. Then a plus 10 plus 2a plus 19 into a plus 1 is equal to 99 square. Then 9 square is equal to 81. This is 2a plus a. This is only single minus a, and plus 19 plus 10 20 plus 29 हो गया into a plus 1. Predict here, we will get a quadratic equation of the form that this is a square minus 28a plus 52 is equal to 0. From here, we have factorized this. After factorization, we get two values of a minus 26 or a minus 2. It means a may be equal to minus 26 or a may be equal to minus 2. When a is equal to 2, then d will be equal to what? 3. Then a 3 and this is 8. Now, in second case, this is the series, the value of. In the case second, when a is equal to 26. When a is equal to 26, then d will be equal to what? 26. This is 5 minus 26. It means minus 19. And hence the series becomes equal to 26, 5 and minus 12. This is the answer. Okay? It's a good question. At least I think it's scoring at least of 4 number in your board examinations. So that please pay attention to this type of the questions. These are very important questions. And thanks for watching my video. And I'm very happy that you have devoted so much time for me. But don't forget to like and subscribe me. These are the things motivate me to create new questions. I want your support. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.